Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate OpenAI API key. So at first, you need to visit this URL. By the way, I'll put this URL in the description below. So when you open this URL, it will ask you to log in or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can log in, otherwise you can sign up. So let me log in and then I'll show you. So yes, after logging in, you'll see this page. You can see that there are currently no API created and you can click here to create the API. For example, if I click on this create new secret key, then it asks me for a name. So it can be any name that you can remember later on. So for example, for Airtable or for personal, you can write anything here and you can select the default project here and then create the secret key. So the key is created, you can copy it from here and then you can use it anywhere you want. But keep it secret because if you share it with anyone or leak it anywhere online, anyone can use your API key and then you will be charged for all that. So yeah, that's it.